Hi, my name is Ethan Ferguson, and I'm currently a pre-service teacher in the Indiana University School of Education. I want to become a high school math teacher one day, and technology is definitely something that I need to use in my classroom. Our world has become extremely digital, and students need to learn how to use technology and how to use it effectively and efficiently. Technology in the classroom helps engage and enhance learning in the classroom for students. I want to look at a few examples that I've created in some of my best work on my ePortfolio. The first one I want to talk about is a production badge. The production badge was a great technology tool because it helps students create to show understanding. A lot of times teachers just give them tests to make sure that they understand or to assess if they know the content, but production tasks are a really great way to check that too because it individualizes the learning, and it also, if you can create and talk through something, that shows a lot more understanding in my mind than simply just memorizing answers for a test. On my ePortfolio, if you click on the title badge, you can see the production badge, or you can just click the play here and find an example that I showed for students. Next, I want to talk about screencasting. And screencasting is by far my favorite technology tool. For math, it's a great way for students to easily get help. They can simply go online and find videos to help. In my screencasting, I went through a few examples and I went through an entire lesson. So instead of them having to make sure that I have time and make sure they have time after school or at lunch or sometime to come into the classroom, they can go online and find videos for easy help. Khan Academy is also great resources that does this and shows multiple examples and talks through how to do these type of problems. And for math, it's definitely the best technology tool I've ever used, and I will definitely be using it in my classroom. Finally, I want to talk about my PBL lesson plan. PBL stands for problem-based learning or problem-based lesson, and this is definitely a great way for students to see how if they learn and also the applications of what they are learning. For my PBL, I had students find the applications of math in the real world. Problem-based learning is very real-world based and helps students see the applications of their learning that they're doing now. In my PBL, I had students, 12th grade AP Calculus students, find the applications of integrals in medicine. And there's a lot of applications in those with just one topic of math and one field of an occupation. So showing that and having them research and find the applications is a great way for them to see that what they are learning actually relates to the real world. In my classroom, I'm definitely going to be using all three of these tools because they help effectively and efficiently help students learn, and they engage students and they enhance the learning. With all three of these, I've also learned over the past semester a few other technology tools that are great for the classroom. Tools like Nearpod and S'more and other great tools that I will definitely be using in my classroom because as our world is increasingly digital, showing students how to use technology in a right way and how to use it to increase their learning and help engage them and effectively teach them is something that's an extremely important tool that teachers need to know how to do. And I'm so happy that I took this class, and I'm so excited to use all of the technology tools that I've learned in this class in my future classroom. Thank you.